cattail, yes. Down there, Steve Fernandez, there's your ginger. El Verde Trail El Porto, Catstail, ginger. Some sweet dinosaur leaves. Yeah, that's the only thing I'm gonna see. Is that thing. Going down. Oh no. There's the leaves we can make into a hat. You gotta step over this, Nancy, in order not to trip. Right? Here, bud. Las Helizones son una fuente importante del elemento para los zumbadores y otros habitantes del bosque. Is that bamboo? Yes. No, remember there were thin ones and then thicker ones. El todo el mundo. Yikes. That's good firewood. Nativa de Indonesia, la flor de cera se ha adaptado perfectamente a su nueva hogar, a ginger. There we are. Mr. Bird. El pájaro bobo mejor de Puerto Rico. Si tiene suerte, cruza vaya el pájaro bobo mejor de Puerto Rico. Los reconocerá fácilmente por su rabo largo y su pico. Puerto Rican lizard cockatoo. Haku. Achoo. El koi is kasan natuna prad. It's like going to the dinosaur tracks. But in the rain, of course. That's right. I need my bike. This would be sweet. Good excursion. La excursion. Oh, the bummer. Yeah, we got like 15, 20 minutes. One thing we probably want to avoid is getting lost in here, especially at night, you know. Hábitats de bolos del bosque Garza e Dacanagda. I know how you are getting lost, so I'll try to keep you in line. Whoa. Here's mine. That's. Can I touch it? Ow. Watch, I'll touch it and the whole forest will fall down. That's a Should I climb? Look at it. Goes down all the way up. That's pretty sick. Whoa. Nace un bosque. A budfly. You see the butterfly? I think I got it. There's fluent to here. Ooh, that's fun. A shrimp. Shrimping it up. Pimping it out. Como la hydra. Desde la orilla vigilante hace inmóvil el Martin. Maybe it goes like back around the other side where we were for the bathrooms. El baños. Oh, sorry. Los baños. That's bamboo. That's bamboo. Of course it is. Are you born in the sun? That's bamboo. That's bamboo. Acacia gigante. Está elegante al blue. Giant tree fir. They have water here? Fiera del Nido está joven. Mercadito explora el bosque durante la noche. Bamboo. It's all over. Oh, look, a fruit. Oh no, it's just a leaf. That's that tree that doesn't go under. That tree doesn't, the roots don't go under. Bamboo. These roots don't go underground, they only grow outside the ground. I'm filming the documentary. Esta legume es producto de una relación simbiótica entre un hongo y un alga. There's no point for it. We can edit it after. Vidas masquer recubran. El guarga lanza su grito de antigua al saltar sobre su presa. Where do we go? I lose. Got like 7 minutes. El autobús